So this is not a recommendation to buy, but if you are interested in buying it, this video will show you how to do that. So if we come over to the announcement page, we can click down here to go to Uniswap. And this shows the FDC to ETH pair. So you could come over here to the upper right and click trade. And that'll bring it up to the Uniswap interface. This is just a disclaimer. You could click I understand. You want to make sure to be connected with your MetaMask account. Now right here we're swapping Freedom Dividend coin for ETH, and we actually want to flip this. So I'm going to switch to ETH right here. So now we're swapping ETH for FDC, which is good. I'm going to put in an amount here. So we're going to swap 0.1 ETH for about 50,000 FDC. So we're going to go ahead and swap anyway. Right, because it's a newer token, so it's having a bigger price swing on it. That's okay. Nice. So now we can view it on Etherscan. Pending. Anyways, yeah, if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to answer them. And also the website is freedomdividendcoin.io. That is the official website for the project. Okay, great. The transaction went through. And as we can see here, yes, we got 51,000 FDC. And yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.